Hi, I'm Jocelyn Metzger with Sunshine Therapeutics and the Voyage to Heal. So happy Easter as we are quarantined, and so I get to make Easter dinner, and I'm peeling some potatoes. Now, I'm normally really scared about cutting myself. That's why in our last video I talked about the importance of using the correct knife. And this time, so I was peeling my potatoes, and because I was always scared, I would push the potato away, but this was a lot of work for my wrist and it was bothering me. So I thought, once again, let's try another way. And so I said, okay, I'm going to peel this potato and pull towards me. And as you can see, so much easier on my hand. I take my time so that I'm not going to hurt myself. So much easier than this motion was this motion, and it's a lot safer because I can take my time and I love it. So I just wanted to share one more ergonomic mommy tip as I am forced to be in the kitchen even more and make an awesome potato salad for our Easter dinner. All right, thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. Godspeed on your voyage to heal, and share any tips with me so that I can learn more ways to make things easy, whether it's in the kitchen, the office, with my kids, anything. I love to hear it. Thank you. Bye-bye.